Do you want to be able to log your Google Calendar events into Notion? Let me show you how to do it automatically, using Zapier. To do this task, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, when a new event is created in Google Calendar, automatically add it to my Notion database. And it'll build the workflow for me. My Zap will then be created. On the left-hand side, the Copilot will tell me the steps that I need to take to complete my Zap. And if I need to tweak my prompt or troubleshoot anything, I can just type right into Copilot. It walks me through the process. To start, select your trigger. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. In this case, our trigger is Google Calendar. I'll need to log into my account before configuring my step. To do this, click on the Account tab. The first time we set up Google Calendar, we'll need to connect it with Zapier. If it's your first time logging in, a link will pop up for you to log into your account. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. Select the calendar you'd like to use for your Zap and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your action event should already be chosen, so log into your Notion account just like you did with your Google account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger apps data into the action apps field. Once I choose my database, Copilot will automatically fill out our configuration steps with our Google Calendar data. With that, I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the step. Let's check our Notion account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a new event is created in Google Calendar, a new Notion database item will also automatically be created. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.